let's talk about the 3D and the 5D split that is happening on the planet. So one way of seeing it is that it's happening within each being. We are moving from a lower self into a higher self. We are moving from our 3D lower self, ego self, the self which is programmed for fear, shame, and guilt, into a higher self, which is more and more based on empathy, kindness, compassion, loving, unconditional love. So on one hand, the 3D and 5D split is happening within each human being. I myself had my spiritual awakening 2023, and of course it's not an overnight process. I had been on my spiritual journey consciously for from 7-8 years, and I had my spiritual awakening 2023. Everybody's on a spiritual journey, either consciously or unconsciously. We all are, right? So we are, the 3D and 5D split is happening within each human being. But on the other hand, it is also somehow manifesting in the physical reality. Now, I don't know how it is going to manifest. It is going to be, there are many, spiritual seekers, the real seekers and the real spiritual masters who have come up with their own predictions. I don't know how it is going to manifest. They say that there might be some natural calamity, or I have no idea around that. But one thing is for sure, that why it is happening, and I have come here to explain you why it is happening. So so why it is happening is because one thing is that people who are moving into the 5D, you know their energies are being pulled in by the 3D, the people who are in the lower self, and it is very unfair, for the people who are trying to move into the 5D. Their energy should not be sucked in by the 3D people, by the people who are in the lower self, because they are programmed for fear, survival, and they have never worked on their own fears and survival. So they would go and cling on to the 5D. They will go and cling on to the people who have worked on their fears, who have gone through their fears, who have evolved themselves into the 5D. So they will go and cling outside, for that energy, which they feel a loss of. They do it very unconsciously. I am not saying that they are doing it consciously. If you are in the 3D lower self, most of the things that you're doing is unconsciously. So yes, they are doing it very unconsciously, but the people who are the true spiritual seekers, who are moving into the 5D, they do not deserve, that pulling back. So definitely it's manifesting. You can see it will, the people who are moving into the 5D, people who are the true spiritual seekers, you will see a kind of split that is happening in your reality. In one, it could happen in the most weird ways, it could happen in the most natural ways, it could happen in the most unnatural ways, but you will see that your reality starts to shift, and the separation can is manifesting in the outside reality as well. Now, it is one of the most just and one of the most fair processes right now that's happening. Even if that 3D or lower self being is somebody very close to you, but it is one of the most fair process that's happening, because evolution, working on ourselves, is our dharma. We are supposed to flower like a bloom. We are supposed to flower, we are supposed to bloom like a flower, so that everybody around us, can feel its fragrance. We yes, we are supposed to evolve, not only for us, but for people around us. you know so it's our dharma. It's a dharma towards ourselves, it's a dharma towards the life around us. A flower has to bloom for the tree it is on. A flower has to bloom for the roots, for the life around it. A flower has to bloom because of the sunlight's energies. you know so it's our dharma to bloom irrespective. And we are moving into the 5D very rapidly. And, people who choose to work on their fears, people who choose to come out of their lower self, you know, can definitely make that choice. It's up to, the choice is open to all of them, you know. So I just wanted to come here and talk around this topic.